A lot of things in life have the habit of changing. Your friends, your job, where you live, and even your car. But for me, I've always been able to rely on the one constant thing in my life, and that is my 1994 Toyota Starlet GT Turbo. And that car plays a huge part in who I am today. Whether it be cold winter nights, hot summer days, laughing with friends at shows, or meets, or working on cars. Back in a time when everyone had appreciation for all the hard work that everyone did on their own cars, my GT never failed to make me smile. Sometimes our paths take unexpected turns, which has led to my partner in crime taking an overdue rest. But this winter she's coming back out of retirement to ride again. However, this time she'll be coming out in a final finished form. So welcome to the start of the build vlog. It's been way overdue to announce it, but I'd like to introduce you all to the rebirth of Project GT. Stay tuned, and see you in the next episode.